heterogeneous equilibrium. If I say A plus B gives rise to C, if A is gas, B is gas, C is a liquid, or A is gas, B is a liquid, C is a gas, A is a solid, B is a gas, C is a gas, or even one is solid, one is liquid, one is gas. If I take any of this, you can see in any of these at least one differs from the physical state of the remaining, at least one or every one. If all the reacting species have different physical states, or at least one reacting species has different physical state, it does not matter how many species differ in the physical state with others. If there is a difference in the physical state at least by one species, then such type of equilibrium attained by a chemical reaction can be termed as heterogeneous equilibrium. An equilibrium in which reactants and products are in different phases is known as heterogeneous equilibrium. Does it mean to say that reactants should have physical state, products should have different physical state? No. At least one in the total entire reaction, at least I'm using the word, might be least one species or more than one species or every single species. It can be any of this condition it can satisfy, but having at least one species differing in the physical state with rest others is enough to satisfy heterogeneous equilibrium. The best example, if you see CaCO3, which is existing in solid state, gives you CaO is also a solid, but the product CO2 is a gas which differs from the remaining physical state, is enough to say it is heterogeneous equilibrium. If a solid is present in equilibrium, then the equilibrium has to be heterogeneous. The physical states does not mix with each other. The minute the physical states are not the same, they are heterogeneous equilibrium. This is the minimum composition which we can say for heterogeneous compound.